Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Russian manicure is probably one of the most sought-after nail techniques right now, promising impeccably clean cuticles and a flawless canvas for polish. But is this intricate process truly worth the hype and potential risks involved, especially when compared to traditional methods? We're diving deep into what makes this technique so unique, exploring its benefits, the specialized tools and skills required, and whether it's the right choice for your nail health and aesthetic goals, so you can make an informed decision before booking your next appointment. Number 5. Beurer MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit. Introducing the Beurer MP62, your all-in-one solution for professional nail care. Achieve salon-quality manicures and pedicures right from the comfort of your home. This electric file machine is designed for both power and portability. Its compact size makes it easy to take with you anywhere, ensuring perfect nails on the go. It comes equipped with 10 versatile attachments and 10 sanding bands. This allows for a wide range of treatments, from shaping and filing to cuticle care and polishing. Whether you work with acrylics or gel nails, this device is perfect for you. It provides precise control for flawless application and removal. An integrated LED light illuminates your work area, providing enhanced visibility. This ensures accuracy and detail in every step of your nail routine. Everything you need is neatly organized in the included storage case. Keep your attachments secure and easily accessible for your next nail session. What we like? This offers a comprehensive solution for both manicure and pedicure needs. It includes a variety of attachments for different tasks. If you're looking for a versatile tool for at-home or professional use, this is a great choice. What people say? It comes with the most attachments for detailed work plus no batteries charging. I have deep sidewalls, and I need to file them down regularly to prevent ingrown nail. It is exactly what I needed, works great. I used lowest speed setting and cleaned everything exactly how I wanted. Easy to use, lots of speed settings, forward and reverse rotation, great attachments, powerful, does not heat up and does not hurt. The range of speeds are excellent. The light also helps when you can't see in the little nooks. It doesn't get hot. The noise level is tolerable. It's nail salon quality. Number 4. MelodySusie 10 PCS Diamond Nail Drill Bit Set. This comprehensive set offers everything you need for nail care. It's strong enough for filing, drilling, and removing various types of nail enhancements and natural nails. With 10 different shapes and sizes, these bits cater to all your needs. Prepare nail beds, clean cuticles, shape nails, and remove surface material with ease. Crafted from high-precision diamond metal, these bits are exceptionally durable and heat-resistant. They ensure long-lasting performance for all your nail services. Enjoy smooth cutting in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. This makes them perfect for both left and right-handed users, adapting to any situation. Featuring a universal 332-inch shank, these bits seamlessly fit most electric nail drills. They are designed for professional use in salons and for personal home care. Keep your bits organized and protected with the included well-made case. It's dust-proof and helps you quickly find the exact bit you need for efficient work. What we like? This set provides a wide range of bit shapes for various nail services. Its durable construction ensures longevity and heat resistance. If you need a versatile bit collection that fits most standard nail drills, this is an excellent option. What people say? These nail drill bits are well-made and properly sized. The diamond coating is even, with no bald spots or rough inconsistencies, so they cut smoothly instead of grabbing or chattering. Each bit has a distinct use, and the shapes make sense for cuticle work, sidewalls, and surface prep rather than being redundant filler pieces. They remove product efficiently without overheating when used correctly and give good tactile feedback, which matters for precision and safety. Number 3. MZCMSL Flame Cuticle Drill Bit Set. Introducing the MZCMSL Flame Cuticle Drill Bit, designed for the perfect Russian manicure. This set includes 4 safety diamond bits with a 332 shank. Easily clean dead skin around your fingernails with these specialized bits. They are perfect for tackling dry, stuck-on cuticles. Experience a gentle and smooth operation that effectively removes cuticles. They are designed to prevent hangnails, ensuring nail safety. Whether you're a professional manicurist or a beginner, these bits are suitable for you. Achieve salon quality results with ease. Their portable design makes them perfect for both home use and professional salon settings. Enjoy convenience wherever you go. What we like. Designed specifically for delicate cuticle work, this bit ensures a smooth and safe experience. It helps avoid common issues like hangnails. If you prioritize safety and gentle cuticle cleaning, especially for dry cuticles, this is the bit for you. What people say. The smallest one is best for cuticles. Doesn't cut the skin and gets rid of all the dry cuticles surrounding your nails and the sidewalls. They're soft enough to the natural nail but hard enough to remove all that dead skin stuck in the nail bed. These work very well to help separate cuticle from nail and to lift the skin so you can either buff it off or cut it off. Number 2. MZCMSL Diamond Cuticle Nail Drill Bit Set. Introducing the MZCMSL Diamond Cuticle Nail Drill Bits, a 5-piece set designed for professional and beginner nail care. Achieve a flawless Russian manicure with these versatile bits. This set includes essential bits like ball, slim flame, and needle, all with a standard 332 shank. They are perfect for achieving the precise look of a Russian manicure. These bits are designed for comprehensive nail care. Use them to gently clean the cuticle area, side walls, remove dead skin, and work under the nail edge. Experience safe and effective nail grooming. These bits are gentle on the skin, ensuring a smooth finish and helping to prevent hangnails for healthier looking nails. Whether you're a seasoned manicurist or just starting out, this portable kit is ideal. Use it conveniently at home or in a professional salon setting. What we like. This kit is tailored for achieving a precise Russian manicure, targeting the cuticle area and under the nail edge. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for both professionals and those new to the technique. If you're aiming for a clean, polished cuticle line with minimal risk, consider this set. What people say. Herramientas de buena calidad, cortan bien y facilitan la limpieza de cuticulas. Great set for beginners, not too complicated and they get the job done well. They're my go-to for my set. Great accessories to add to a great device at just about every different bit you will need. Number 1. NMKL 38 Diamond Burr Electric Nail Drill Bit. Introducing the NMKL 38 Diamond Burr, a professional tool designed for both manicure and pedicure treatments. It's crafted from high-quality stainless steel for durability and precision. Experience a non-abrasive and painless treatment for cuticles and calluses. This safety pedicure bit is ideal for even the most sensitive areas, including cracked feet. Beyond basic care, this versatile bit is perfect for polishing nail tips and refining nail edges. Achieve a flawless finish with ease. Specifically engineered for use with electric nail drill machines, it features a 332 shank for a secure fit. This ensures optimal performance during your nail care routine. This is the perfect nail tool for any nail salon or professional nail artist. It's also a wonderful beauty gift for anyone who loves perfectly groomed nails. What we like. This bit offers a gentle and painless approach to cuticle and callus treatment. It's also effective for refining nail edges. If you seek a comfortable and safe tool for both manicure and pedicure, especially for sensitive areas, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. I love this little bit. It's a little too oddly shaped and big to do hand cuticles, so I use it to smooth out calluses on hands and feet. I run it along the big toe where people commonly develop calluses on that toe, and I find any hard bumps or roughness on feet and run it till it smooths out. High quality. Good deal. Beautiful, medium bit. I'm going to try more from this brand. This burr reduces calluses and thick nails that it's small but mighty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.